Guys, I'll get it, Alex. I'll get it after Alex. Alex, I'll get it later, man.
Let's go, Inter!
Go, Inter.
Go, boys!
I'm hungry. I'm hungry? Well, espérate, más a la 8. Espera.
Suzanne, go take a look at the box. Time your runs. It's your clutch pass. Time it. Out on go, boys. Okay? We'll play together. Alexander, be ready. Let's go. Be alive. Flat feet. Let's go, boys. Start strong. Let's go. Go in there.
Oh, not that much Chick-fil-A. I thought that was more Chick-fil-A. That's not. Yeah, that's like the
Let's go, Anna. Let's go.
Yes!
Get the pressure up.
Yes, Christian!
Make it playable, guys.
Ethan, come and eat with him.
You want some?
The one has the one who's opening the door.
Good idea.
Preguntaron qué salsa se
Talk, guys. Talk.
You need a table.
Portero siempre está afuera.
Yes, Dad.
Send it, send it.
Go, Jackson!
Go, Jackson!
Who wants it? Who wants it?
Yes, Jackson!
Right up, Chris. Right to the middle. Finish, guys. Finish. Yes, yes. Oh, what a pass, Christian. Keep that up. Good job. There we go, man. Good job, guys.
¿Quién quiso lo que sacó de su hermano?
But here's the reality. She said, I'm not ready today. I don't know.
Y luego te reconoce a ti.
Go, Alonso! Go, Alonso! Get in it!
That's not good. Now he's like willing it. Up. Pass.
Alonso.
Good, Lachlan.
Good lock.
Yes.
Turn and go.
What's your line, Jack?
Good, Kyle.
Mark your run, Christian. Now go.
Go, Kyle. Go.
Get through it.
Yes, Christian.
That's good, Christian. Finish.
Go, James.
Good.
I was like, you're about to
Yes, Sebby. Have one,
Get
Seb.
in it, Kyle. Get in it.
Oh.
Good job, Christian. Good
Good job, Blue.
Let's keep that up. Let's go.
I just did it today. I'll let you know later. If I sleep better, my blood's flowing.
Well, I needed it today.
Win the box.
Take my cellulite.
Yes, wake up.
Get on the counter.
Yep, you're outside. Yes,
Sam.
Sammy. Sam.
Good job.
Way to go, man.
Good job, Mike. Way to hold him, Mike.
What a hustle, Sammy.
Oh, help.
Talk. Now, Christian, go. Keep it in. Yes. Good job. Go. Now, save, Christian.
Yes,
Oh, my
good.
gosh, God.
Good hustle.
Christian, good job. That's it.
Good hustle, Ford.
Open space. Let's ball.
I would have thought obviously it's not a given.
Yes, Michael.
Stay with it.
Who wants
Stay
it,
with
guys?
Come on,
Help
Alonso.
him.
Stay with it. Go, James. Go.
Shot.
Playing, boys. Let's go, Sharks. Win it, Rowan.
Oh.
Yes, Rowan. Come on in there. We're going to play our game. Let's go. Move the ball, guys. Talk, guys. Talk to each other.
Get in space, Tristan, if you got space. Come
Go, Tristan.
on in.
Nice, Sebby.
Talk.
Oh, Good idea.
Oh, good idea, man.
Open up, Eden.
Go, 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 go. Let's get the pressure up here, guys. Get that pressure up. Hook, hook, hook.
Yes.
Oh.
Good job, Kyle.
Great work, Ford.
Yes.
And run up.
Men on, men on.
No, 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 no.
Oh.
Come on, guys, get the pressure up here.
He knows if he says no, he's gonna do it. He knows the trick. He knows the trick. He will do it with more like.
Pass, Adriel.
Yes, Michael.
Step.
No, pass it, kick it, do it, Adi.
Yes, AP.
Good job, baby.
Take it in there, put your foot
See it in, back. Back it. Step back, Alexander. One step back. Alexander, step back.
Get out, get out, get out.
Get it out, get it out, get it out, Christian.
down to the ball.
Yes, let's go for it. You win it, win it, win it.
Good idea, boy.
Good job, Christian. Why not? Get it out.
Yes. Michael.
Go, Christian, now.
Hit it.
Go, Christian. Go, Christian.
That's a foul, man.
Gotta be a foul. What's it called, Mr. Ref? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called on the field, boss? What's it called on the field?
Good job, Ford. Good job, Rowan. Good job, Christian.
What's it called? What's it called, Mr. Ref?
Your ball, it's your free kick, boys.
Go, Lop.
Intensidad. Vamos. Second post. Second post.
Back post. Stop it. I'm calling it. Stop it. Back post. Oh.
Passing lane, Amy, passing lane.
Yes.
quién, Emi? ¿A quién? Vamos.
Slows on the second ball. They go long, boys. They go long. AB, get ready.
Tall guys.
Go, Alonso, fast now!
That's Michael.
Good done, Michael.
Pressure.
Offside, thank you.
Good job, Michael.
But now the sun's gone. I brought shorts in the car.
Muévete, Emi. Muévete, be an option. Be an option, Emi. Más arriba. Ahí.
Go, right now. Turn around and do it. Come on, Aaron.
You Parker.
Where you going?
Sigue.
Go, Parker. Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, Dad.
Tristan.
Sigue, Emi. In the box. Switch it, Tristan. Drop.
Get there, Seb.
Go.
Show. Check your shoulder, Emi.
Do it.
Good.
Man on. Step up, Emi.
Step.
Go, Gael. Come on, you can do it.
Tristan. Go,
Sube, Emi, sube. Sube, Emi, sube.
Play together, boys. Play together.
Parker.
Positive, Parker. Positive.
Beat him. Ayúdale, Emi, ayúdale aquí.
Good up, man. Keep hustling.
Come on, Angel.
Más duro,
Don't worry about that, okay? Because you keep doing that, it's not going to go. That was a great idea. Good job, Sam.
Y no reciba.
Talk to him, yeah.
Yes, sir, Emi. Good job. Vamos.
Back post.
Grandes nubes y se pasaron aquí. Papá, hay unos grandes nubes ahí y se pasaron aquí. Go, Alonso. Go, straight down.
Yes, Emi. Body. Oh, to the face.
Over here, ref. Man down.
Get the coach.
Get your coach. Check on them.
Bro, you're too good, bro. You're too good.
Papi,
You're really
falta
good.
poquito. Dale todo lo que traes. Toda la energía que traes. Sería, right? Be an option. And on. Good pass. Cambia con él. Es un marca uno. Sube, Emi, sube.
Go, Christian!
Good idea, Michael. Good idea, Michael. Good idea, Michael. It's coming. It's coming. It's okay.
I didn't even touch you.
Watch long.
That was a foul. You did that.
Síguelo, síguelo.
Quicker! Get the ball, get the ball, get it!
No.
Get it out, Ender. Get it out of there.
Wait, Alex. Alex.
Get it out.
Be the goalie. You're gonna score. Hey, go.
Yes.
Go, Daniel. Go, Daniel.
Yes, yes. Push out, guys. Come on. Get it out of there. Que no se voltee, que no se voltee. Que no se voltee.
Go, Daniel. There it goes.
Abe, Abe, Abe.
That was too high. Alex. Alex, you on Mike?
Go, run fast. Emmy.
You just gamble, that's okay.
Somebody get the ball. Thank you. Hey, what drill this?
Vamos, Emmy. Falta poco. Mete todo lo que traes. Vamos. Hey. That was not bad.
Whose team are you?
That's a bad throw, no?
I'm doing my team. My team.
Go, Will. Walk, Will.
Stay there.
Touch it, Will.
Stay there. Come on, Jane. Get in it. I want to be on my team. Get ready, Jane.
Good job, Will. Good job, Will.
Come on, Jane.
Yes, Emmy. Still in, still in.
It was in for that long time.
Good job.
¿De qué estás, Emiliano? ¿De 6 o de 8? ¿Tú estás acá arriba?
Good job, Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Yes.
Go, Rowan. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Emmy, vamos acá. Viene. Check your shoulders, Emmy.
Yes, Emmy.
Go, James, go!
Yes, Emmy. Oh, one more. Get it out, Emmy. Yes, Emmy.
Jack! Jack!
Send him. Oh.
Nice block, Ray.
Alex, leave your shoes on.
Okay, you're back to
Yes, Emmy. Yes, drive.
Space, take space.
Go, Emmy.
Nice.
Nice, Emmy. Put him in there, Seb. Yes, Seb.
Job, Sagi.
Take it out.
Come back at me.
Go, Jackson.
Touch it, Christian.
Christian.
Oh, God.
Okay, go. Come on.
Yes,
Come on.
nice, Ray.
Good job, guys. Again.
Yeah, I know. Yes.
Quick!
Go, James.
Nice.
There it is.
Yes, Emmy.
Go.
Hit him now.
Muévete, Emmy. Muévete, pa.
Yes.
Go.
No bounce.
Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack.
You gotta talk him off and go get it. Can I be an option, Emiliano? Let's go. Will.
Watch out, Daniel. Good. Come on.
Let's go, Christian.
Continue. Shark.
Yes. Push up, Emmy. Push up.
Quick!
Hurry up, boys. Let's go, Shark. Come on, guys. Close out the game. Let's go. Good job, Savvy. Good job, boys. Muévete, Emmy.
Good job, Go, Alonso. James, sube.
Nice.
No foul.
Good job, Michael. Good job,
Take it,
Michael.
James. Go.
Good job, Emmy.
Excellent, Michael.
Let's go, Will. Yes, Will. Oh, great idea, Will.
Good job, Will.
On it, bro!
Nice,
James,
Will.
James. Come on, keep going, Christopher.
Oh, yeah, that's you.
Go, Parker, finish. Emiliano, baja. Estás de 6. Estás muy arriba, pa. Baja. Más. Ahí.
Go, James.
Hurry, boys, hurry.
Quick one, Adriel.
2 touches. Indirect. 2 touches, indirect.
No goal.
It's indirect, right? Sideline.
Outside the
Two
wall.
refs. Two touches, right?
They're passing. Vamos, Adrian. Come on, Adrian. That's it. Look.
Calm. Way to go in there.
Oh, it's done. That is done. Done.
Ethan,
It's with my hand.
Ethan, come on. Get out there. Get out of there. What are you doing, B?
All right, man. All right. Hey, Mom, get this out. Tell Alex to come over and get this ball right now.
Nathan, bro, you won.
Thank you for being gentle.
That's right. That's right. Now we have to wait. Now we have to wait what happens on the
Concord by herself. Yeah, no, most likely they're going to win that Alabama game.
Yeah, most likely. Unless something weird happens.
You won? They won? Was it good?